do you want?
I'm thirsty. Bring me some water. Anything.
Here is water. In 2 hours, you eat.
Thanks. Where's Captain Errol?
Can't say. Tomorrow is Independence Day. Already the captain celebrates.
You here alone?
Cierto. And for 10 pesos a day. What is that, a pill?
That's right.
You have the headache?
No. I haven't got a headache.
No?
Ever hear of cyanide tablet?
Cyanide.
This morning, I find the freezer empty.
This is miraculous.
Not miraculous, Excellency, but ingenious. This man Jordan, he is clever. He exploded the lock with gunpowder. And then he broke into my safe and he stole our complete plans. It could have been a disaster if Lazaro had not used his head.
But this Jordan will try and contact Forbes.
Impossible, Excellency. At this moment, he is in jail, thanks to Lazaro.
You've done well, Captain.
No, it is quite ingenious, Lazaro. Forbes transmits for only 90 seconds every day at exactly 4 o'clock. You know, in such a short time, tracing his transmission is almost impossible.
It's 1 minute to 4 their time, Sir Andrew.
Right. Come in?
Yes, sir. Forbes transmits in code, of course.
Yes, and a very difficult one. It took me a month to break it.
And where is his transmitter?
In the President's palace.
And the frequency?
It was 1,700 kilocycles.
It has been altered?
11 days ago to 1,500 kilocycles.
So now he thinks he is transmitting to London, huh?
And that I am Sir Andrew Wilson. Have requested assistant twice. Advise if James Jordan, posing Fansard salesman here, is our agent. Over.
Negative.
It's 1 minute past 4, sir.
Nothing?
Not yet, sir.
Give him a little longer.
Reliable sources report another attempt on President's life imminent. Imperative, you fly Rebus to safety within 10 hours. Contact Badillo and arrange special charter flight Rio de Janeiro, soonest possible moment. Wilson, acknowledge.
Sir Andrew, it's 3 minutes past 4 in Sebastiana.
All right, close down.
Yes, sir.
I can't understand it, Winters. 11 days of complete silence.
He will be very confused, our Senor Forbes.
I doubt that, Captain. His kind of service demands that an agent takes orders implicitly.
And obeys them without question.
And now, Captain, you better see to your prisoner. I want him taken care of.
Yes, Excellency.
Permanently.
Imbecile, what happened? It was not my fault, Captain. I swear it. He tricked me by pretending to suicide. Stupido.
put every available man on this, understand? He's 6 feet 3 inches tall, dark hair, blue eyes. Yes, yes, detail 4 men to the Atlantic Hotel just in case he goes back there. Room 37. And remember, he's armed and very dangerous. Shoot on sight.
I had to get back to the Atlantic for 2 reasons: money and a gun. Since 3/4 of the hotel staff was out on the town, it was easy to sneak in the service entrance and up the back stairs to my room. Sorry, buddy. This looked like my chance of getting a disguise.
Very well, then. When will the plane be ready? Then we'll leave for the airport in 1 hour. Right? Thank you, Senor Badillo.
John, I just can't believe it.
Mr. President, please, we've been over this a dozen times. Trust me.
I do trust you, John. It's just...
Sir Andrew wouldn't issue such an order unless he knew beyond a shadow of a doubt that your life was in danger.
When do I return?
As soon as the celebration is over and the city is back to normal.
It makes me feel ashamed, running away like a coward.
Not like a coward, sir. Like a man who knows how important his life is to his country.
Well, not the best fit in the world, is it? The way the wine is flowing in this town tonight, who'll notice the difference?
Then Forbes telephoned me from the palace.
So they leave in 1 hour, huh?
And will be airborne in exactly 70 minutes, as planned.
Anita, you checked everything at the airport?
Everything. There is the flight plan. The plane will crash about 200 miles beyond the Brazilian border.
It is dense jungle country. The wreckage won't be found for weeks.
There is a chartered flight clearance. I will be in the control tower at takeoff.
Then you will phone me immediately, eh?
Of course. But don't worry, nothing can go wrong.
Robles was the key to Operation Fiesta. If I could get to him, I could save the president.
Catalan, Carissima, of course I want to be with you tonight. But it's impossible. Well, because I have a lot of work to do. Important work, Chiquita Mia. Look, by tomorrow night you will understand, huh? See. Adiosita.
Hello, Robles. What happens to traitors in this country? Come on.
Where to?
To the president's palace.
I think we must make a deal, Senor Jordan, huh?
No deal, Robles. Get up. Luck was running my way. I managed to grab a police car. Operation Fiesta had been as carefully planned as an architect's drawing. Every move timed to the second. The president's plane was scheduled to take off in 5 minutes, and I was 3 miles from the airport.
Everything is ready, sir.
I still do not feel this is really necessary, John.
Sir Andrew Wilson thinks it is, Mr. President. Otherwise, we shouldn't ask you to do it.
Mr. President.
Who are you?
Jordan, read this. Zero hour was fixed for the following morning. We decided it was safest to keep the president in hiding until the critical moment when Torres would make his announcement from the palace balcony.
It is time, Excellency.
What's happened to Robles?
I have no idea, but we can't wait any longer. Listen to them.
People of Sebastiano, for many years, I have been the devoted friend and servant of Enrico Ribas, the man you have elected president.
Your Excellency,
You thought you'd make a better president, didn't you, Manuel?